A young man lived with his mother. She cooked his food, cleaned his house, and took care of him every day. One day, the young man got married. His wife came to live with him and his mother in the same house. One evening, the man came home late from working in the fields. "Wife," he said, "I'm tired. Bring me some water. I want to wash." His wife said nothing. The man called again. "Wife," he shouted, "I'm hungry. Where is my dinner?" Still, his wife did not reply. The man was angry. "Why don't you answer me?" he asked. "What's wrong?" His wife started crying. "It's your mother," she said. "She hates me. She fights with me all the time." "She calls me lazy and stupid," the wife said. "She says, 'Why did my son marry a girl like you?' I can't stay with her anymore." The man looked at his wife. She was young and beautiful. He loved her very much. "Please," he said softly, "try to live peacefully with her. She is old. She won't be here forever." "Let's not talk about this now. Please bring me my dinner." "Dinner?" said his wife. "There is no dinner. I couldn't cook. That old woman is always shouting. She tells me what to do. She says everything I do is wrong." The man said, "But she is my mother. This is her house too. I can't send her away." His wife stood up. "You must choose," she said. "Either live with me or live with her. Not both." That night, the man went to bed with an empty stomach. He lay awake, thinking hard. "What can I do?" he thought. "How do I choose? My mother gave me everything when I was small. She fed me. She held me when I cried. But my wife? She is young. I love her. I can't lose her." In the morning, his wife asked him, "Have you made your choice? Do you want me or do you want your mother?" "I want both," the man said. "You can't have both," said his wife. "Push your mother off the hill. She's old. She will die soon anyway. But I am young. We can live many happy years together." The man was shocked. "Push my mother? How can I do that?" He went to the fields that day, but he couldn't stop thinking. He thought about his wife's words. He thought about his mother. At last, he made a decision. "She is old now," he thought. "Her life is almost over. My wife is right. If my mother is gone, we can be happy." That night he went home. "Well?" his wife asked. "Have you made your choice?" "Yes," said the man. "I choose you. Tomorrow I will take my mother up the hill and push her off the edge." "Good," said the wife. "Now bring some water. You're tired, right?" She ran to get the water and gave it to him quickly. "Now," said the man, "bring me food. I'm hungry." "Yes, yes," said his wife. "I cooked all your favorite dishes. When your mother is gone, I will cook them for you every day." The next morning, the man woke up early and went to his mother. "Mother," he said, "we are going on a journey today. I'll take you up the rocky hill. It's cool and peaceful there. You'll like it." His mother looked surprised. "But I'm old," she said. "I can't climb a hill." "Don't worry," the man said. "I'll carry you." He picked her up and began to climb the hill. At first, his mother was happy and quiet. But as the road got steep, she stopped smiling. The man said nothing. Then the old woman spoke softly. "My son," she said, "I know why we are going to the hill. I understand everything. But please, be careful. When you push me, don't fall yourself." She looked ahead and pointed. "See that tree? When you push me, hold on to the branch so you won't fall." The man stopped. He looked at her in shock. "You know what I'm going to do?" he asked. "And you're still worried about me?" She gave him a sad smile. "My dear," she said, "only a mother knows love like this. One day you will have a child. Then you will understand what real love means." The man slowly put his mother down. He sat beside her. He covered his face with his hands and thought. Does my wife love me like this? He wondered. No, she doesn't. He looked at his mother. How kind she is. I was going to kill her, but she still loves me. She only cares about me staying safe. Then he thought about his wife. She told me to hurt my own mother. I loved her once, but not anymore. She's not kind. She's not good. Now, I know who truly loves me. He stood up, picked up his mother again, and carried her back down the hill. When they reached home, he sent his wife away. And from that day on, he lived peacefully with his mother for many, many years. A mother's love is the purest love in the world. Don't forget the one who gave you everything. If you liked this story, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.